Alright, the question is how to reset the default username and password of the Ubuntu desktop version. Or how we can add a new user using Graphical User Interface, not the command line interface. It's very easy. Click on Ubuntu icon when you get in here. Come to setting. When you get to setting, come to the system. When you come to the system, you can see there is a user. Click on user. When you get in here, you can see that there is a user by the name of VBox user, and here is the password. So confirm the password. Alright, this week it doesn't matter because I'm testing this one. This is how you can change the username and password. You want to change the username? Click in here, you can change the username as well. I didn't want to touch that one. I will keep it as default because I have to remember it. And then if you want to add a user, here's another thing. Unlock. So it may ask for username and password, like if you want to unlock it. That's good. I want to add another user. This is how you can add it. You should be a member of administrator or not. So let's add a user. Let's say it is John. Short name is John. Member of administrator. Do you want to add this one, member of administrator? Guys, this is a member of root. If you want to pick it, this is going to be a member of root. The answer is no. It should be just normal user. You know, user set the password on first login. When the John login, they will ask change the password or what is your new password, right? So let's add this feature. It's very easy, but this is very easy. Set the confirmation, set the password now and confirmation. Click add. A member of regular user. All right. So in order to test it, what we're gonna do? Click on this one. If I click on this one, it says switch user. Switch user. Let's switch user. Okay, click on John. New password. That is a good option, right? Whatever password you want, go ahead and type it. I'll type some password here. I have to ask you to retry the same password and you should good to go. I am in the John profile right now, which is so good. Let's see if it works. It should work. It's not too challenging. It's not too challenging, but this is how you can, you know, add a user. But I like this feature. It wasn't with the Ubuntu before. With the Ubuntu, like you have to type a password. But now people, they say, oh, I want to type my own password. You don't have to give me ABC at 123 or admin at 123. But here's the profile for the John user, right? It's clear. Okay, so we just need to say skip. We didn't need anything. Skip this one. Skip this one. Or this was just testing purpose, right? Finish it. Come back to the power option. Click on the power option. Switch the user. It automatically switch back to the admin user, the administrator user, or the root user. I'm trying to go back to my user, and it's very important for me. Alright guys, this is how you can create a user and password and Ubuntu operating system.